Turmeric is the golden spice of India and a kitchen staple. Apart from giving curry its signature yellow color, turmeric has been used in beauty treatments since ancient times. Even today it is used in homes to improve skin health and texture. Check out 7 benefits of turmeric for your skin DIY. 1. Turmeric is high in antioxidants that slow down cell damage. 2. It's widely used as a skin exfoliant and improves the texture of skin. 3. It helps with inflammatory skin conditions, such as acne, dry skin, psoriasis, and eczema. 4. Turmeric combats UV rays from affecting your skin's elasticity, the quality that keeps your skin feeling soft and supple. 5. It helps reduce pigmentation and even out the skin tone. 6. Turmeric contains the antioxidant curcumin, which is also anti-inflammatory and can lighten pigmentation. 7. Turmeric slows the skin aging process, and diminish wrinkles, keep skin supple, and improve skin's elasticity. These glowing benefits are likely the result of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds working together to heal and bring out the natural health of skin. Turmeric has ability to reduce inflammation and speed healing, which is beneficial for both medical and cosmetic purposes. Use it in powder form or as an essential oil. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.